Today, I'm going to teach you how to add button hover effects in Framer. This is a fantastic way to make your website feel more interactive and polished, giving users visual feedback when they interact with your buttons. First, open your browser and head over to framer.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where your projects are stored. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, click on the specific project where you want to add the button hover effect. This will open up the project in Framer's editor, giving you access to all the design and interaction tools you need. Now that your project is open, locate and click on the button element that you want to add the hover effect to. Once you've selected the button, look over to the right side of your screen where the Properties panel is located. Here, you'll find an option labeled Effects. Go ahead and click on Effects to reveal the different interaction options available. Within the Effects menu, you'll see an option called Hover. Click on Hover to start customizing what happens when someone moves their mouse over your button. This is where the magic happens, as you can define exactly how your button responds to user interaction. One of the most popular hover effects is adjusting the scale of the button. This makes the button grow slightly larger when someone hovers over it, creating a sense of depth and interactivity. Look for the scale setting and adjust it to your liking. A subtle increase, like scaling to 1.05 or 1.1, works beautifully without being too dramatic. Next, let's add a shadow effect to make the button really stand out. Click on Shadow within the Hover Effects panel. This adds a drop shadow that appears when users hover over the button, giving it a lifted, three-dimensional appearance that draws attention and feels responsive. Once you're satisfied with your hover effect settings, it's time to preview your work. Look at the top right corner of the screen and click the right arrow icon. This will open a preview mode where you can see your website as it would appear to visitors. Try hovering your mouse over the button you just edited and watch as it scales up and the shadow appears. This is exactly what your users will experience. And there you have it, you've successfully added a button hover effect in Framer that makes your design more engaging and interactive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.